There's a completely unofficial transformation guide for, I forget what this guy's name was. The Toyworld, not Bone Crusher, because he's totally not Bone Crusher. You may think that he's Bone Crusher from the way he looks, but he's not. He's not. Shh. He's not. Alright, so starting in robot mode, this is also going to serve as a guide for going into vehicle mode, because you basically have to go into vehicle mode to go into arm mode. So here we go. First thing you want to do is work on his arms. By the way, this thing, completely superfluous. I have no idea why it does that, but it does. So first thing you want to do is put the thumb down, put the fingers in, and rotate it like this. I am using a non-sharp pointy tool. It kind of looks like a medieval torture weapon. It may actually be a medieval torture weapon, but who am I to judge? Medieval people like the kinky. So flip that. Oh, I'm just doing it. You want to open up this panel here, flip that inside, and then close it. Then you want to take this panel right here and pull that out, and the arm is going to extend out, and this panel is going to fit inside that little slot right there. The elbow is on this like double thing like that, and it things together like that. So that's a thing. And then this arm, there's a little pin inside there, and you want to just kind of rotate it down, okay, so that the top of the shoulder is flush with this black panel right here. That's important. So the other one is exactly the same. Just using this to grab things because my fingers are fat. Rotate that down. There we go. Alright, now he's got this tree pose. Because he's a tree. I mean a T pose. Ha 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 ha. Because he's a T. He probably drinks tea, actually. Okay, then you want to unclip the chest plate. That's just going to fall down, because why not? You also want to pull this up. Now, it's very common when it's down for it to get hung up. There's a black panel back here. This black panel right here. Sometimes it'll come down and you'll hear it click into place like that. Just kind of push right here and pull on this part, and it should kind of squeak out. And then you flip that up. And then this whole part is going to go like that. And this joint is like one of the like god-awful tightest joints on the face of the planet. You want to take these. There's this armature that goes from here down to this joint here, back up to this joint right here. Like that. You want to pop it right here. Pop that out. And then pop it out on the other side. And you gotta kind of get them both at the same time ish. And then that extends up. Congratulations. You're like partway there. No, I'm offering sincere support. The head will go like this. So it's all closed up. And then this part will go in front. And you have tab, hole, hole, tab. So this part is all good to go. Like the top half. Top half is all done. Bottom half, whatever. We don't even care about. No, we do care about that. If you're going in the vehicle mode, you want to take this. Straighten it out just like that. Super easy. You want to take this part here, and there's a joint. The leg joint goes like this, and they're tabbed in at the bottom here. So you just want to take that and straighten that out like so, and like so. And then this panel right here, this is what in the robot mode, it's his crouch. Just fold that down so it sits against his undercrouch. Oh, god damn it. I forgot a step. Can you believe it? I forgot a step. These things right here, this is very, very important for keeping the robot mode, the vehicle mode, even remotely solid. Those are on the arms. They have to go out. They have to go out because when you fold this up, this little hole on the inside here fits into this tab right here. Come on, focus, damn you. Yeah, that tab right there. Corresponding one on the other side. Oh, wait. I was pointing to this tab. I meant to be pointing to that tab. That's what I get for looking at, you know, the camera instead of the actual toy. Alright. This is... okay, it's not done yet. On the back of each leg, you've got this mechanism right here. It will pull apart. It will, honestly, it will pull, there we go. It'll pull apart. And you just rotate that down. It fits into this bracket here. It fits into that bracket there. Same for the other side. Oh, that one, easy. Just what I'm trying to show it off. That's like, hey, I'm gonna be complicated. For the feets move on these little joints here. You're just gonna pull them out, stick them together, and then this toe, it's gonna go like that. Fold up against it like that. This side is the same. Fold them like that. And do the toe. Make sure your legs are all straight. We're going to peg them together. And then we're going to rotate them back. Now, these pegs right here will tab into these slots right here. Like so. That goes down. That straightens up, and that straightens up. Now some people, what they like to do is they like to take this and put that up like that. But I find that structurally it doesn't do much. Aesthetically it kind of looks weird to me. Oh, last part. These little things go up. Go up. And this part goes up. And then it all kind of pegs back together. Ta-da! Focus, damn you. Ta-da! Now, to put it together into an arm mode, because this is basically the arm right here, we need to unpeg this, like so. Well, actually. So this joint here, it's on a spring. This is important, by the way. This joint here is on a spring. You can't rotate it like this. You have to pull that out and rotate it. And that is specifically because these arms are super, super tight. And that's designed to come out so that this is not a ratchet joint. It feels like a ratchet joint, but it is not. Oh, by the way, you'll notice that there's a cut right here, and a cut here, and a cut here, and no cut here. The no cut needs to go towards the shovel, because that's how. There we go. That's how it attaches on. Is that this fits into little grooves, not grooves, but little thingamajigs on the inside of that joint. Okay, so we're going to take this part here, and this just fits in there like magic. And this just fits. You'll see these little holes right here. And there's tabs in there. Let me see if I can. Beep. Nope. I don't want. There it goes. Right there. So you're going to take these. This is kind of finicky because you've got to get it to tab into, like you're dealing with this tab here, and this tab here all in the same moment. And so what you may actually find better is if you tab these together. Tab this guy in to fit on top of that. Come on. Yeah. Make sure that your little guy is up here because that's important. And then this whole thing will just fit in there. Oh, oh, it's magic. Pound it. Alrighty, that's an arm. That is definitely an arm. That's a big damn arm, actually. And that's that.